Welcome back to the Pneumatic lab. Today we have this 1 hour long video because we have plenty of things to do. Most mainly I want to install this sensor to make our can smasher a little bit more automatic. We will use also this pneumatic valve with coil at 24 VDC. Yes, and then some little upgrades for our can smasher. I will change the tube for this coil tube just because I think it looks more beautiful, and install this safety valve because when we put this sensor, our can smasher will be somewhat automatical, and it will be a shame if I left my fingers there and just sensor give a signal, my fingers will be broke. So this will be our de-exhausting valve, just to turn off completely air. Yeah. So I think that's it, the plan for today, and we can start. Okay, so far so good. I make a lot of connection wires. Yes, let's then connect our relay. It's like foolproof. You can't it place otherwise than only right way. So we are put it in. And so I haven't do it in a while, but if I remember correctly, for example, 14 will be our ground, not minus, I guess. Here we will go with our sensor. It will be signal to turn it on. At this point it will be signal from push button in 13. And we have what? We have 12.8 normally open, and I don't know what it is. I can see this and this open. So theoretically, if I push the button, they both will change position, and then here will be circuit, and here will be this LED lamp. So let's start with this this plan. Yeah, we'll connect it and see what happens. Okay, and we are so far. So what we did here, one more time. Here we have 24 plus, minus, and it's going like plus going to here, to our button, and to command plus. From here, as we remember, this slot and this slot is normally opened, so there is no connection right now, but when we push the button, it should change. Also, same as here, it's normally open, it's going to minus here, and when we push the button, it should close and we will have the circuit. But let's try it out. Okay, we connected our electricity, and then let's turn it on. We have power supply. Good thing is nothing is smoking as usual, but yeah, let's try it. Whoa, and nothing happens because nothing is working. But why is nothing is working? Let's turn it off. I think we need to make good old test, just connecting lamp and push button without the relay, just to understand that the problem is not a lamp or a push button or somewhere else, but the relay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's test our lamp. Whoop. Have electricity, and yes, if you see, or you can't see because it's, let's turn the light a little bit off. Lamp is working, so problem is in this relay or how we connected it. Let's try to understand what I did wrong. Funny thing is that actually even in a relay there is no any movement or something, and I don't believe that. Okay, maybe I again order something not suitable here. Okay, all right, okay, all right. So fortunately, I tried also, how to call it, coal. Is it not burned or something? But I think my this voltmeter is also not working really, because it's not calling nothing. Oh, 1 sec. Oh, it is working, but it's just not working. What it was 13, 9 and 1 should 9. It seems working at least normal closed is closed really. I guess I need to go to Google and check some videos. Okay, let's check one thing. We have 24. Okay, let's try another trick. Just connect it directly to our power supply. I just will go around for all all connections and try to find which one is right one. Since what I can lose power supply, maybe best case, worst case scenario. Okay, officially I'm done with this. So my guess is that this came already broken, so this is the reason why it's not working. And I will go just buy to shop in the new normal relay, and then we'll edit the video and put it here. So yeah, let's continue and join our sensor directly to the lamp and then to the valve and see what happens. Hopefully this won't be broken, or it won't won't break as soon as I connect it to power supply directly. But let's see. So if you someday wonder why you shouldn't order something from AliExpress for some responsible job. No, first of all, I think relay it's a good option, not option, a good example. But also this kit for electric mounting. I don't know, do you see it or not? But it's kind of new, but it's already broke off. And what we do, couple of screws. This is the reason why we have good brands, expensive brands, and AliExpress brands. Okay, it's also was like €5 or something, but it's pretty annoying when you do something and it's not going nowhere because just things are broken. Then you spend almost an hour just to understand what is not working. Okay, what we got here? I think brown is power supply, L is neutral, and black is the signal. So this is going straight to this to our power supply, and this will go to the lamp. Only those wires are so small. Also, I think I need a little bit wide it up. Can I use those for? Okay, here we have our sensor, our lamp. Wiring is like lead 0 and the black is signal going to the lamp. Lamp is going back to our 0. And let's see what happens. Really, nothing happens. What the fuck? Why so? What is the reason? Okay, let's 3 PNP normal black. Yeah, we have loud. Our loud is not working, but we check it, it's working. Our loud is not working, and why is not working? Okay, good thing is that I have a lot of these lamps. But first of all, let's make a mark here. Let's color this one close. It will be just for with E. It will be our theoretically broken one. No, it's also is not showing nothing. But in this case, let's go then different path. Let's go this path. Okay, this is working. I have one theory. Okay, let's go away. And if I put it here, it's also work here. Great. Let's test our broken one. Yep, it's worked perfectly. So, problem is somewhere here. It's so nice. Let's try it. Oops. Okay, if this worked perfectly, what wrong is here? The most likely problem is that this part is not deep enough, yes? Okay, if you can see here. Here we are walking. Nothing. Working. Nothing. So basically, problem is in these, oops, these two bridges that are not working at all. It should like connect it between each other, but it is not doing anything. It's good to know when you tried everything else, spent like almost an hour of time, and understood that simplest part of scheme is not working really. That's because funny, these are this. Oh, it's not the same. Those are different than those. Okay, okay, gotcha. But funny part is that if you can see, it's connected. It's a half connection, or it's not. It's right behind, but it's not connected. Maybe. Okay, 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 okay. Ah. And what we can do here? We can go and search for waggles. This is the reason why you never threw nothing away. Jokes on you, wife. I have those waggles, but there are yeah, only 2 dividers. So I know I hear somewhere that I shouldn't use it with these connections, but since they're going off already, I will cut it off. So I think I need to test also one more time this relay, and for that I need 2 zeros, but I think I will do not I won't do it correct way. I will do it the way that I can afford right now. It's making these dividers in cable itself, or I don't know how to call it. Okay, I think this time we won't do it somewhat beautiful, we will just do it. So let's try to connect our relay one more time. Whew, okay, we are back again. So let's place our relay back and give the power. No smoke is a good sign as always. What a sweet sound of spring return of this relay. Only 1 hour or something like that to understand that problem wasn't here, problem was here. Okay, so now theoretically our sensor is connected again, and let's try it out. Let's try it on can. So it is working like on millimeter or so. Good thing is like can should like bump into it to it start to work, and it's working only on metals. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, proximate sensor. So only on metals, and the good thing is like it should be. But it's small victory. Okay, I guess in this mess now we can start to connect our pneumatic valve and see how cylinder works with our sensor. I will leave it like this right now because I need to go to buy some new I don't know how it's called in English, but these ones normal bridges, and create this mess a little bit more appeal. So yeah, let's try to connect our pneumatic valve. Whoop. Okay, I found flow switches like these ones. They are usually mounted in cylinder, but I think I will screw them in here. No, I can't. I will screw it here and will regulate flow on the valve. It will be like just more appealing than this solution. So okay, what we see here, it's a connector. We can take it out. We have here 3 pins. Almost all pneumatic valves have 3 pins. It's like 1, 2 and ground. 1 is usually lead, 2 is usually neutral, and ground is ground. And yeah, it's simple as that. I need just to connect it. But first of all, it's like a rookie mistake. I need to pull wire through this connector. So you can easily go like a lot of wires and then just fixate a little bit, just a little bit, and then let's try to connect it here. It's super small screwdriver. Whoop. Let's loosen up. Pretty much it's very difficult to mess up something because theoretically there's no difference between 1 and 2, but yeah, let's start with ground. Okay, maybe there is difference because we have LED, but it will still working. Okay, now let's connect it. Oh shit. Oh no, not so bad. I found the screw. Yes, okay. We put it very I will put it. Theoretically I can change it, but should I? We'll put it here, valves. Yeah, I think I need to change it. Or I can... Nah, I just need to change it. Okay. So yeah, we connected already. And let's try to turn it on with our inductive sensor. As you can hear, or it's no, you can't hear. I can feel, but you can see also. So let's try with air. What we need to do, it's decompress our cylinder, make few adjustments. Whoop. Now I don't say nothing. I use manual override, and somehow I manage to mix the tubes, but I will cut air off and yeah, change them. Okay. One more time. At this point I use this manual override just to control it, just to test it. Okay. It's showtime. I guess I will wait till our compressor goes off. Okay. Let's start testing. You can also see here this red. So anything is working, but fun thing what I see here, it is very, it should be like full contact. It's even if you have less than millimeter, you have As you can see here, is there's almost no gap between, and if I change the angle a little bit, it's not working. Yeah, but good news is with some problems, some unexpected situation, we make the sensor work. But I think I will order some different sensor, because this or maybe not. I will try it with the can, and let's see what happens. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have some thoughts, ideas or something, please let me know in comments, and see you in next video.